Hello everyone, I'm Martin from LEDYi Lighting. Today, I want to share with you some innovative and practical lighting ideas that will transform your living room into a cozy and stylish retreat. Let's get started. When it comes to living room lighting, you need flexibility and style. Whether you're reading, entertaining friends, or just relaxing, the right lighting sets the mood. From sleek LED strip lights to elegant chandeliers, let's see how you can light up your living area. First, let's talk about LED strip lights. They're energy efficient, easy to install, and can be used to highlight any feature in your room, from tray ceilings to your entertainment system, adding a modern touch without overwhelming the space. For a softer, more romantic feel, try LED candles. They have a gentle flicker that creates a serene and intimate atmosphere, perfect for a cozy night in or a gathering with friends and family. And for all you tech enthusiasts, smart LED solutions offer a wide range of colors and brightness levels, so you can customize your lighting to match the time of day or your desired mood. Imagine having lights that make you feel like it's a sunny morning or a dim, cozy movie night. Task lighting is also important. A well-placed pendant light or a directional floor lamp can enhance reading and other activities, providing functionality and a decorative touch to your living space. And for those of you who want to make a statement, consider a beautiful chandelier or unique wall sconces. These fixtures not only provide light, but also act as pieces of art, reflecting your personal style and enhancing your living room's decor. Remember, lighting is not just about function. It sets the stage, creates a mood, and expresses your style. At LEDYi Lighting, we're here to help you find the perfect lighting solutions for your living room. For more inspiration, visit our website at www.LEDYilighting.com. Light up your world with LEDYi.